Don't you love it when you sit outside in the rain? Something about it's calm and soothing. Smells good though. Just out here chilling on the porch. Enjoying nature. But that's it. And I got these big old legs, I know. Can't help it.